Hello and welcome to a quick fit series. Today is arms and abs day. There will be a total of 5 exercises with 5 minutes on the timer, 45 seconds of work and 15 seconds of rest in between. All you're gonna need for this is a pair of light dumbbells. Let it be between 1 to 2 kgs, nothing more than that, and that should be enough. If you don't have dumbbells, as always, replace it with water bottles. However, I'm still going to show you modifications without any weights as well, which is still going to be very effective. So if you're ready, let's go and get started.
Now switch. arms are on fire, and you did great. Tomorrow will be the back day, so have your lighter to moderate dumbbells, that is anywhere from 2 to 5 kgs, ready. With this out of the way, we have completed a third of our 20-day program, and I'm so proud of you. Go celebrate this milestone with your friends and family, and I will see you tomorrow right here. Bye.